So I was just thinking this. I bought this Gatorade and like the Gatorade mashups, and it had the Cool Blue and Fruit Punch. It was really good, and I was thinking in my mind, what happens if we mix other Gatorades together, like how they did this right? So I bought 6 different flavors to mix together to see which one's the best duo. Got Cool Blue, obviously, 'cause that was probably the best one. Got Green Apple. Got Fruit Punch. Glacier Freeze. Blue Cherry, which I've never tried before. And Midnight Ice. So we're going to be mixing each one with each of them and seeing like which one's the best one. So the one thing I forgot is paper. So let me go find a piece of paper. So I got this piece of paper that will mark each one from best to worst. Well, I wouldn't say like worst, but best to like what I think is good. So our first one's gonna be Midnight Ice and Blue Cherry. Alright, so Midnight Ice. There we go. Midnight Ice and Blue Cherry. Okay. Give it a little bit of a mix. Alright. Okay. Alright. That's not bad. It kind of gives like a fruit punch flavor. Or like a berry mix. I mean that's actually not bad. Right now, don't know what the rest tastes like, so I'm probably gonna put out like a 7. Trial 1, 2. So I'm gonna put trial 1 at 7. Trial 1 at 7. Okay. Now, number 2, we're gonna do Midnight Ice and Glacier Freeze. So Midnight Ice. And Glacier Freeze. Okay. That has like a gray looking. I wish I could like. I don't want to like put it. I'm using a computer right now, but like has like a gray, like a purpley gray, you know. That was actually really good. It has like the first one, but it has more of like a berry, it gives that like kick of berry, but like more flavor into the berry mix than the first one. That's actually really good. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. Glacier Freeze. Okay. Now we're gonna do Midnight Ice and Fruit Punch. I should probably just take the lids off because I'm gonna be using them all, so there's not really like need to keep taking them off. Okay. Alrighty. This one has like a purple maroon or like a really dark maroon coloring to it. It looks really, really Really cool though. I can see if I can show you guys. But it's like red. My camera is not very good because it's on the computer, so my bad. But it's like a red with like a purple tint to it. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to mark down the stuff. Okay. So number 2 is gonna go. I would say it's like better. I would give it at a 6. Number this one is Midnight Ice plus uh, fruit punch. I would give it like it's good, but I would have to give it a 9 just because it just doesn't like fruit punch isn't my favorite, and it just doesn't give me the like I don't know how to put like flavoring. It's not the best to me. So I'm gonna give it a 9. That's for trial 3. Number 4 is Midnight Ice and Green Apple. This one's one that I've wanted to try because I bought these two around like the same time, but I was like, I wonder what it would taste like. I've always wondered what the Cool Blue would taste like with all these other ones. After drinking that Cool Blue and fruit punch. Okay. And I don't know. I'm still gonna do the Cool Blue and fruit punch, but I already tried it with the mashups, so it's basically the same thing. Okay. Wow. So it did like the same thing. It's like a dark green, like a really dark green, but it has like a black on the middle of it. But it but let's see. That one's not bad. It definitely brings out the green apple flavor though, because I can taste that. That is really good. I'm gonna have to put that one at a 3, just because of that green apple taste, man. I love it. I love it. But alrighty, now let's go. Number 5 is Midnight Ice and Cool Blue. Okay. Midnight Ice. Oh wait, no, that's Cool Blue. Sorry, that's my bad. There's that, and then a little bit of this. Okay. Wow, that is like a black and a gray look. I don't really. It's an odd taste because I can still taste a lot of the Cool Blue, but it gives off like that great aftertaste, which isn't bad. It's actually really good. So I'm gonna have to go with. I'm gonna have to put the green apple at number 2, and put the Cool Blue and Midnight Ice at number 3 because that is delicious. So number 6 is Blue Cherry and Glacier Freeze. Okay. Oh. All right. A little bit of Cool Blue, or sorry, not Cool Blue, Blue Cherry. Sorry, they look like the exact same. Put a little bit of that. And a little bit of this. You know what the crazy part is with mixing those two is the blue cherry is like a little bit of a darker tint to the cool blue, and the Glacier Freeze is a lighter tint. But when you mix the blue cherry and the Glacier Freeze together, it makes the exact same color as the blue, cool blue. All right. That's not bad. I'm not a big fan of Glacier Freeze, but when you mix it, it's really good. Oh man, so I'm gonna have to shift uh, the Midnight Ice and Green Apple to number 3 and shift my Midnight Ice and Cool Blue to number 4 because I have to say that goes to number 2. That is really good. Like it it has the blue cherry taste, but it gives off like a hint of the Glacier Freeze. Like it's really good. I think it's just because of the cool blue cherry helping it out a lot, but man, that is good. That is good. But now we're gonna go blue cherry, and Glacier Freeze. Alrighty. Oh wait, not Glacier Freeze. Fruit Punch. Fruit Punch. Something's wrong with me. Okay. Alright. Go like this. And some Fruit Punch. It made like a this color reminds me of like, you know, when you get a snow cone and you have like a mix of like a purple and a red drink together, man, that's what it looks like. And like the ice melts and everything, that's what it looks like. Oh, let's see how it tastes. This is blue cherry and fruit punch. Not bad. I can definitely taste, like when you drink it, you get the fruit punch taste, and then slowly after the blue cherry comes in, and it's good. It's good. I was expecting to taste more of the fruit punch, but that is it. Okay. So I would have to give that one. I would have to put that one at number. Oh wow! I'm gonna have to put that one at number 5. I don't know if it was better than the Midnight Ice and Cool Blue, but it was definitely like in between. Okay, so now it is 8, and it is blue cherry plus green apple. Okay. Drink a little bit there. A little bit here. Man, I feel like I'm doing water painting. Like mixing these colors makes it look really good. But this looks like a neon green. Like that is really cool. All right. See, I don't know what it is, but I taste like every time I taste that, the green apple is somehow like the stronger flavor. Because for all the things I ran through, green apple seems to be the stronger flavor, which is really good. It's not bad though. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. So cool blue and green apple. I'm gonna have to go with. Man, what? I'm gonna have to go with that one as number 4, and then shifting everything down. So number 5 is number 5, number 7 goes here, number 2 goes here, number 1 goes here. Okay. But for some reason, like green apple seems to like come out a lot better. All right, now is the 2 blue colors. So we're gonna go blue cherry and cool blue. Okay. Not much of a color change. Looks the exact same. But let's see. That was really good. It was like a strong. It was like a stronger cool blue flavor. Like it was. It's like it tastes exactly like cool blue, but it has like a stronger hit. That is good. Okay, so that was blue cherry and cool blue. All right, I'm gonna have to put that one at number 1 for now because that was really good, really good. Okay, now we're gonna go glacier freeze and fruit punch. Oh, I don't want to do that much. There you go. Okay. Okay. Not much of a color change. It looks exactly like fruit punch, but like maybe a little lighter. But not much of a big change. I don't know if I'm pouring more like more of one drink or like one flavor, but fruit punch and green apple have been the ones that like stand out for all of them. I don't know if they're big on flavor, but every time they always stand out. It's crazy. Okay, so that was glacier freeze and fruit punch. I'm gonna have to put that one at number 7, shifting everything down. So I think the big thing is just trying to find like, because they're all so good. Like these are probably some of my favorite flavors, so that doesn't help. Like the one that I dislike is probably the glacier freeze and fruit punch, but fruit punch with mixing all these other ones, it makes it taste really good. Glacier freeze, it's hard to taste it sometimes, but I mean, it's definitely still there. All right, now it is glacier freeze and green apple. I'm going to try to pour a little more Glacier Freeze, just because I think I am probably pouring more green apple. Okay. Now let's see. That one also gives off like a neon color. So this one is Glacier Freeze and green apple. See, that's weird, is because on this one I can only taste green apple. So I'm gonna have to put that one at like a 12, just because I'm gonna do a 13, just because I can't taste. I can only taste one thing. There's no like new flavor, and I even poured less green apple, and it still ended up tasting more, like more powerful. Okay, so now we're gonna go Glacier Freeze and Cool Blue. Okay. Now we're going Glacier Freeze and Cool Blue. Okay. See, what's odd about that is it's like when it first hits your tongue, you taste Cool Blue, and then for a second you get like a kick of Glacier Freeze, and then it goes back as the aftertaste as Cool Blue. That one was like a really cool effect. I'm gonna have to put that one at, what was number 6? Cool Blue and Glacier Freeze. I'm gonna have to put that one at number 2. And move everything down. So 6, 4, 8, 5, 7, 10, 2, 1, 3. That was really good. Okay, so we just did Glacier Freeze with Cool Blue. So now we have 3 left to do. Well, not 3 left to do, but like 3 like colors that need to be mixed. So we have Fruit Punch, which the Fruit Punch and Green Apple, and these are the 2 that have like the most kick. So I'm gonna try to even it out as best as possible off of what's happening. So now Green Apple. Okay. This one gives off like a reddish orange. Like it is, it's like more red and like a darker maroon, but then it's like you can still see like orange in it. Alrighty, let's see. That was really good. You could taste both at the same time. Like they're like so equally powerful in flavor. Like you can taste both of them. So I'm gonna have to go with that one's got to be probably. Oh, what was number 9? Cool Blue. I'm gonna have to go with the. Wait, what was this one? This one was Fruit Punch plus Green Apple. So I'm gonna have to put this one at number 1. Move 9 to number 4. Number 4 goes to number 5. 8 goes to 5. 5 goes to 7. And 7 goes to 8. Now 2 and 1. I'll keep 2 and 1 where they're at. 10 goes there. 2 goes there. 1 goes there. 3 goes there. Alright, I think that one was probably the best one we've had so far. Okay. Now it is fruit punch plus cool blue. See how good this one is. Okay. There's that one. Alrighty, this one may actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit more cool blue in it, just because it felt really quick. There we go. This one gives me like a pinkish purple, so probably like a magenta color. And yeah. Alrighty. See, that one, I tasted a lot more of the cool blue, but there was like a settling hint of like fruit punch. Like it wasn't strong to where you can't taste it. Or it wasn't strong to where you can like taste it, but it wasn't weak to where you can't taste it, like the Great Glacier Freeze one. Like you could taste it. It was really good. I'm probably gonna have to put that one at number 8, just because it just didn't seem like enough fruit punch. I'm gonna be honest. Even though Cool Blue's a good flavor, but it just did not seem like enough fruit punch. So we're gonna go 14 there, 7, 10, 2, 1, 3, 11. Alrighty. This one's our last one. This one are my 2 favorite drinks. So we're gonna do a little bit of green apple, a little bit of cool blue. Alrighty. This one gives like a darker neon than the last 2 that we had. I'm really hoping to taste both at the same time. I really just don't want one. Let's see. I definitely can taste the green apple, but there's like a half point of like once you swallow it, you can taste the cool blue. That is really good. That is really good. All right. So the other thing I was thinking about is I really want to mix. So the top 3. So we're gonna taste all 6 of these. We're gonna pick 3 good ones to mix together. And yeah. I forgot to do the last one. Green apple plus cool blue. So 13 was the fruit punch and green apple. I'm gonna have to put 15 as number 1, and then having the rest go down. 15, 13, 12, 6, 9, 4, 8, 5, 14, 7, 10, 2, 1, 3, 11. So I have the best being green apple and cool blue, and I have the worst as number 11, the Glacier Freeze and green apple. That one was the one that had like the more of the flavor of green apple, even though I put less green apple in it, and I know I put less. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little sip of each one of these, and I'm gonna see which one I like the best, or the three I like the best, and I will mix them together. All right. I'll probably cut this part out just because it might take a minute. Okay, that one. Okay. No. Oh. Okay. No. So I'm gonna have to go with the. So after drinking it, drinking all of them, I'm gonna have to go with the Midnight Ice. So we're gonna put this one in. We're gonna go with the Blue Cherry. We're gonna go with the Glacier Freeze, and then we'll mix the other three together. Let's see. This is Midnight Ice, Blue Cherry, and Glacier Freeze. Not bad. Not bad. Definitely something that I wouldn't drink, but still pretty good. Fruit punch. Apple. Oh, wow, that has like a dirty red. Like, you know, like the dirty green, but it's like a dirty red. Okay. Here goes my friend. Definitely not something I would drink again. That was not, I mean, it was good, but it wasn't like, I would say it's I. It was I. That was the fruit punch, green apple, and cool blue. Alrighty. So I don't know if I rank these just by themselves. So the first one's green apple. I would choose Midnight Ice, Blue Cherry, Cool Blue, Glacier Freeze, and then Fruit Punch. Fruit Punch and Glacier Freeze are probably at like the same level. I don't really know which one's like worse. I think that they're the same. But now we're gonna mix all of them together and see how it tastes, because I'm very interested. Let's see. A little bit of Midnight Ice. A little bit of Blue Cherry. A little bit of Glacier Freeze. Has like a dark ocean blue right now. A little bit of red. That one gave it a little bit of a purple tint. A little bit of green apple. Still has like a dirty purple tint now. A little bit of cool blue. Now it's just a black venom looking drink. All right, here goes nothing. Not bad. Really not bad. The two flavors I could really taste in there is the green apple and the midnight ice. I didn't expect to taste the midnight ice a lot, but I can definitely taste the green apple. Alright, all I gotta say is thank you guys for watching. This was just a thought that just came up my mind, and I was like, hey, this would be fun to try. But, I mean, if you ever go to the store and you get two Gatorade selections and you want to mix them together, I gotta say, doing the green apple and the cool blue mixed together is really good. So, if you ever get a chance to give it a try, why not? I mean, nobody's stopping you. Alright, thank you for watching. Oh, and before I go, let me know for like any future recommendations on like drinks out there that have multiple flavors that I can just try later to mix. I'll probably end up coming up with something else stupid later on, but you know, why not just ask? Now, I'll see you later.